Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I'm back to teach you lecture number 2, second videos of chapter 14, being good and being safe. So in first videos I have told you that I said that the rule are very important. It helps us to do our work better and in easiest way. So that's why the rule is what it is very important. Early humans they also followed the rules that they just divided the work so that the some people are going to hunt the animals, some are going to gather the fruits, some are take care of children, etc. And then after the farming is started, then after the more rules has added in that way whenever they needs. Then there are different rules for different kinds of work. Exactly, if we work in different places, then their rules are very different from the other place. What do you do when you are asked to perform a group activity such as making a chart? So suppose that a teacher has given you task that you have to make a group and you have to make some activities, that you have to make some chart. Then what you will do, that one suppose that a group of 6 persons, then one maybe become the head, and then after the others they will instruct the other persons that you can bring this one card, pencil, colors and these all, and then they have to follow that rules. So you decide the work among your group. Then after you just decided the work among your group that yes, one will do this one, like for example that one student get the chart paper, that it's a group. If all people will do one work at one time, then it will take a lots of time. So it's better that we can divide the work so that the work will just completed at the same time. So that's why we just divided that all things, like one student gets the chart paper, another gets the picture, and then another gets the information and so on. So like that they just divided their works in a group. Since you all work together, the activity is completed faster. So exactly, if you will work together, then the work will complete very fast as soon as possible. If everyone follows the rules, then the work will be done well. So if every person will follow the rules of that we have to make a chart paper and they are sincere, then the work will be done well and in a good manner. So that's why the rule is very important, and we have to follow that all rules in everywhere. Now did you know is there, have you seen ant working? Yes, exactly, you can see at home or anywhere. That have you seen the ant working? You can see that ant is what they can go in a group. They're just going in a group in a same line. You can see that the that ant is what they just moving in the same lines, and what they just follow. See, insects are also following the rules. Ants is also follow the rules. Now they are a very good example of a group following rules. Exactly, the ant is what it is a very good examples of a group following rules. They are a good example of a group that they are following the rules. So each ant carries its load and moves in a line. So the ants is what, all ants is what, they just carries their loads and they moves in one line. They just not separated their lines, they just moved one lines, never pushing others or lagging behind. Exactly, never pushing others and never they are lagging, they are moving around. So this is the main example, this is the most important example, good example. We can see that how insects, ants, they just follow the rules. Next is rules at school. That here is also some rules and we have to follow that rules so that we can become a good person and our work become much easier. Then let us talk of rules in school, as you spend a large part of your day in school. Exactly, that we spend at least 6 7 hours in a school. We spend a 6 7 hours in a school. So it is what we spend a large part of our days in a school. So you must first point is reach school on time. Exactly, the time is what? So the time is like 7. Then you should just come at 7 a.m. Be neatly dressed in your complete uniform. Second is what? We should always be neat and clean, and we should always be dressed up complete in complete uniform, because that's a school and some rules are there that we should follow. So we should always be clean and we should always be wear the dress in complete uniform. Don't think that sometimes you forget the belt, ties, eye cards. No, you should always be completed uniform in a complete manner. Next, not run down staircases. Exact. So don't run on the stairs, on ladders. Just go slowly and then come slowly. If you can run, then maybe you can fall and you can get hurt and injured. So for protect yourself, please follow that rules. We should not run down stairs cases. Next point is do not push others while going in or out of the classroom. This you are doing especially in lunchtime, but it's a bad thing that please go in a line, move slowly, don't push each other. If you can push each other while going and entering the class, then maybe the many more things are there, chair and benches. The students will get hurt, they will just go and they will just hurt and they will get badly injured with that. So that's why we should not push others while going in or out or in of the classrooms. We should just be in a line and we should follow that rules. Next, respect your teachers and other staff members. Exactly, we should always respect the teachers, because teachers gives you the knowledge to just explain you the stories, to just give you some disciplines, to just tell you that to learn and studies the more things. So we should always respect our teachers and the other staff members which they work in our school, because they helped us when we need. Then keep your desk and bag neat and tidy. So we should always keep our desk and bag neat and clean. We should not run on the bench. We should always be, and we should just keep our desk and bags clean. Speak kindly to everyone. Don't be rude with everyone. Speak kindly, talk gently, and just make more friends, including helpers, bus drivers, and conductors. Exactly, we should not talk rudely with the person who are helpers in school, bus drivers, and the conductors, because they helps us. They just go and they just wake up in the morning and they just go in our home to take us in bus, and then again they just dropped us in our homes. So they helps us. So that's why we should always respect them, and we should always talk them gently, kindly. Switch off lights and fans when not needed. Exactly, when the school is over and when you are going for lunch outside for playing, the game period is there. On that time, the last person of the classrooms, please switch off the fans when there is no need, because the lights is what? Electricity is very important. If we can save the electricity, then it can produce us means it's like saving the all things like money. So that's why we should just switch off the fans when we do not need. The rules on the road that we will see in the next class tomorrow, and the many more rules are there, that rules at home. So these all some rules are there that how we should follow that rules in places, that that we will see in the next classes. So please guys watch the next, means we continue attend your online classes. Take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.